Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I did change my gamer tag on all my stuff. It was Focused Cub, now it is Bike Rider 9000, and we are playing a game that is called Gigabit Off-Road, and I'm gonna show you a few of the vehicles that I have. Now, it is a very fun game. First off, for all you race truck lovers and stuff like that, this is my race truck. It gets the job done. And let's turn up the volume a little bit so you guys can hear it. One in one high. Okay, it's not doing it. Okay, let's get off here. Now, I like my mud truck. It's a racing mud truck with a lot of power. Oh, no! Yeah, this truck, it has way too much power. Like, I'll just turn taking off and it flips. Oh, can I save it? Can I save it? I don't think I can save it. No, I cannot save it. That's a bummer. But I'm going to show you guys the speed of this thing. And by doing that, there is a ramp up here, over to here, to the left. Ooh, and you get these cones and you get points and stuff. I'm in third gear, fourth gear. Let's see if we can make it above the ramp. That's how much speed this thing has. Just launches. Now, I know there's a lot of diesel truck fans out there. And I think, yeah, okay, we're done with this truck. I'm gonna show you guys my diesel truck after, but it's gonna take a minute to find it. There's a Jeep. I own all the vehicles for this game. There's a Samurai. Then we got my Chevy S10 and my Jeep Comanche. And here's my Big Bertha. Look at this. This thing is a beauty. I'll show you the back. Look at that. It's a beaut. Actually, we are going to do something real fast. I'm going to do that, buy that. Now, I don't know any glitches for this game, but it's not that hard to get money. I mean, you can get money no problemo. It's just the meaning is if you have the time, if you put the time into it. And you guys are hearing my computer in the background. I just powered it up. Now this truck, it gets up and goes. It's lifted all the way. It's got the new update. It's got the monster truck frame under it with, I think, 54-inch IROC tires on it. And this one, it flips a lot easier than my other truck. It's so bad. But let's see how fast we can hit this ramp. And here we go. Oh, oh, ooh, ah. Painful. Very painful. Oh, and we landed it. But I'm going to show you guys I'm gonna soften up the suspension a little bit. If you guys got any games, phone games you want me to try, PC games you want me to do a video of, or Xbox 360 games, or PS4 games, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely, if I don't have them, I will try and get them, and if I do, I will definitely do a video on them for you guys. And I mean, but look at this thing, it's just a beast in one high. I'm just ripping through this, and this is nearly impossible because this mud, it's so realistic, it throws you off course, and you have to have so much power. Like, a bunch of the trucks that I own, the ones that look awesome, and oh fuck, I flipped, and are all lifted and stuff, their motors are fully upgraded. That's the only reason I could do that. If you get a stock one, you can't do it because there's not enough power. But I think I'm gonna take you guys to the rock crawling section. I'm gonna show you guys my diesel, how it does in the rock section. Whoa. But first, I'm gonna show you guys some flex. If I don't, oh shit, I flipped. Okay, a little bit excessive right there. And you can change camera angles. I mean, this diesel, just so much power. And just look at that. I mean, it does flip because, you know, it's a big truck. It's not meant for flex. But if you guys want something for flex, there's actually Jeeps and all that in here. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna make my tires a little bigger, like about so. Make it like that. There, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna repaint it, make it orange, I think. Yeah, I might do orange. I think I'm gonna do blue. Oh yeah, like a violet color. Looks pretty good. Okay guys, let's get over to that rock section. Oh, I still can't get over how bad booty this truck is. Oh, look at that, I two-wheeled it, guys. I should have left my suspension a little stiffer, because this is kind of impossible without somewhat stiff suspension. You know what, guys, we're not gonna do the rock course, we're gonna do something a little better. There's this trailer over here. I'm gonna park it up on this trailer. Oh! Guys, that's what happens when you slam a truck in reverse. Don't do that. Oh boy, that was intense right there. Let's just show you guys what the bad boy can do. Like look at this. Wait a minute, I wonder, can it? Maybe if I change the line I'm going. Oh, come on. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I am really trying to climb that. But look at this. I mean, this thing just boom, boom. Oh! That was a close one. But I'm gonna end off this video, but I'm gonna do it in style. Land it, land it. Oh, and that is how you end a video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.